Yes. So first, I would analyze the product and see, is it a search intent based product? So if that is, so let's say if it, I basically judge if it's convenience based product or a search intent based product. Meaning, if someone types in the word bed sheet on Google, they need a bed sheet right away, and they're looking for a bed sheet to purchase. So that would be a search intent based product. That is something that I would that would be then I would divert more budget toward Google. But if it's a convenience based product like a toy, a dog toy or something like that, then I would say, okay, let's push more of the budget toward Facebook ads because it's going to require some convincing within there. So basically, the way I would budget that $1,000, I would say, okay, if you're a convenience based product, I would probably push about 70-30. I would push 70% Facebook, 30% Google. And if you're a search intent based product, I would push 70% Google and 30% Facebook is how I would basically divert that $1,000 based off its external traffic.